What is up, world? Big Hurt back again in the kitchen today. Finna cook up for y'all some southern smothered pork chops. And look here, got me some nice old pork chops right here. Good thick ones. Already got them seasoned up. Got my flour over here ready. Got my deep fry heated up. And today's season I use Tony season, black pepper, onion powder, lemon pepper, and accent. And since I already seasoned the pork chops, now we finna season up the flour a little bit. Go in with a little Tony saturates. Now we're going in with a little accent. Going in with the onion powder. Go in with the lemon pepper. Y'all need to try this on these smothered pork chops too, that lemon pepper. And black pepper. If I can get it over. I'll be generous with that black pepper. That make it good. Yeah. Cause the rest of this flour, that's what we're gonna make our gravy with. All right, now get that mixed up good in your flour. We're gonna get the pork chops floured up and get them over there in our deep fry. Yeah. Now we got our flour seasoned. I'm finna batter the pork chops. Get them floured up real good. The edges and everything. Make sure you fry them up real good now. Everything coated. Shake off the excess. Put it in the fryer. Let's do another. We're gonna fry 2 at a time. Yes, sir. Southern smothered pork chop. This is real good too, y'all. This leftover flour, we're gonna use that to make our gravy. Yes, sir. Make sure you get the sides coated real good. There you go. Shake off the excess. Put it in the basket. Now drop it down low. Drop it down low. Let them fry up real good. We got 2 down, 4 more to go. And then we finna smother these bad boys. You heard me? Got them pork chops done, dog. Now I'm finna get started on this gravy. Got me 3 strips of bacon in there. Finna render that bacon down just to get the fat out of it for this gravy. Got a half a stick of butter and an onion. Finna make some good old onion gravy. So y'all stick around and pay attention. Let me fry this bacon up right quick. All right, got that bacon rendered down. Got all that flavor out of it. Now mix your half a stick of butter. Then drop in that flour from your what you use to flour your pork chops with. And we can get this gravy going. All right, got that butter melted. You know, all them bits and stuff y'all see at the bottom from that bacon. Don't worry about that. That's gonna come up when we drop the onions in. So now we're finna drop the flour in. Finna make this gravy. Stir. See how it's browning up? And don't worry about it clumping up. It's gonna all work out. Just trust the process. You'll see. Just keep it moving though. If you don't, you'll burn it and then you can't use it. Just keep it moving. It's getting there, y'all. Just get a little more darker. Then we drop the onions in. All right, now we got it dark enough how I want it. Now we're dropping these onions in. Stop the cooking process. Stir. Now, after you add the onions, get it all stirred in, we're gonna add a half a jug of beef broth. I would use chicken broth, but I didn't have none, so hey, you use what you got. Gotta be enough so it can cover the pork chops when you put them in there. Feel me? That's about a half a box. You just stir it up real good. Back. Now, I had to fill up the beef broth jug twice to fill up this pot to cover these pork chops. Now you let it come up to a good boil, then you turn it down to a simmer and let it go for about 45 minutes to an hour and they be done. And the gravy is gonna thicken up. Yeah. And there it is, y'all. It's southern smothered pork chop. Them southern fried cabbages and some rice and gravy. Yeah. What y'all know about that good soul food? Now y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, browse the channel, tell Big Hurt how he did, and Big Hurt on the checkout. Till next time. You heard? Yeah.